Hello guys, welcome to Legit Boss once again. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can earn 100 USDT for free on this platform just by performing simple YouTube tasks. All you need to do is to perform task and then you get this money credited to your Binance exchange or Bitget exchange. In fact, any crypto exchange you're using at all, that is where this money is going to be sent to you. All you need to do is to pay attention to this video, watch this video from beginning to the end without skipping any single line. And then if you should convert this 100 USDT I just mentioned in this video now, because that's the least amount or the minimum amount you can actually earn on this platform. If you convert it to naira, that's about 160,000 naira we are talking about. And if you are able to complete this task and the withdrawal requirement, this money is going to be credited to you in just 14 days. In just 14 days, I am not only going to show you everything on this platform, but I'm also going to show you guys payment proof for you to know that what we are doing here is real. It is not fake. It is 100% legit. If I am providing updates, I must be sure that that update is 100% paying, and I must have my payment proof on it. Okay, people have been making money from this platform and people are still making money from this platform, and I'm still going to show you guys payment proof. Then at the end of this video, for those of you who might pick interest in joining this platform, I'm going to be leaving our WhatsApp group in the comment section of this video. So after watching this video and you're interested in joining this update, all you need to do is to go to comment section and then use the group link to join our WhatsApp group. Once you join, the link of this platform will be given to you so you can join and then start making money. But if you're already in my WhatsApp group, please do not join. And then if you are but if you are not in any of my group, then you can join. Please, if you are my group, don't join, because whatever I post in group 1, that is what I post in group 2. Okay, without wasting much of your time, before we proceed guys, my name is Sparky, aka Legit Boss, and what I do on this channel is all about business. I share money making updates every day on this channel. So if you're an online hustler or you have interest in making money online, all you need to do for you not to miss out any of my latest update is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified every day with your smartphone on money making. Okay, don't forget, I said if you're interested in joining this platform, our WhatsApp group link is there in the comment section. You can use it to join, and then the registration link of this platform will be provided for you. You can use it to join and start making money. Okay, now let's proceed guys. So the name of this platform is JMP group, or JMP. Now before I start explaining everything about this platform, I want to lay a warning to everyone watching this video. And if you are in my group or you just watch this video from YouTube, please, this is warning. Take note of this. It is a serious warning so that you will not lose at the end. Please take note. Now, this is the dashboard of this platform. When you look at this platform, you can see the option of recharge. You can see the option of wallet. Please, on no condition should you recharge anything on this platform. Do not deposit. This is serious warning. Please and please guys, I repeat, do not deposit. What we are after is the free money this platform is giving, and it is the free money the platform is giving. That is what I am going to talk about in this video. The free money aspect, that is the one we're going to participate, just like the way we did it on Project Hope. Guys, for those of you who participated in Project Hope, you know how we did it. We only collected the free money and we did not invest. This one now, we are not going to invest anything. We are just going to focus on the free money aspect they are giving. We will collect the free money and we will go our way. That is our own goal is to collect the free money. Please, oh please guys, I repeat, do not deposit, because if you deposit on this platform, they can run away with your money. And if they run away with your money, Legit Boss will not be held responsible for it. I repeat again and again, please and please, do not deposit. Do not what? Deposit. All you need to do is to watch this video, follow the steps I'm going to show you to collect your free money. That's all. What we are after is the free money they are giving, the giveaway they are doing. That is what we are after on this platform. We are not after their investment packages. We are only after the free money they are giving. Now let's proceed guys. So what is this platform all about? This platform is a online earning platform which claims that user can actually perform YouTube tasks and then get paid on daily basis. Before that can be done, when you sign up with the WhatsApp, with the group in our, with the link in our WhatsApp group, the first thing you need to do is to click on mine. When you click on your profile, come to this place here, click on rename authentication. You have to verify that you are a human being. If you have NIN, if you have voter's card, if you have driver license, you can use it to verify your account. Okay, so this is my tutorial account. As you can see, I'm using this account to show you guys examples on how you are going to do it. Okay, so first thing you need to do is to verify your account. click on rename authentication, then come to this place here, enter your name the way it is on your ID, then enter the ID number. If it is your NIN number, enter it here, then you upload the front of your your NIN here, click this plus here to upload it, then the back of it you click here to upload it. After then you click on submit. Okay, so now when you are doing this thing, you might be seeing other languages. You can switch to English language. Please take note, you can switch to English language. So now once you are verified, what do you now do to earn money on this platform? That is it. Now once you are verified, now come to this place and click on all. When you click on all, please, the task you have to do in a day is just 5 tasks. 5 tasks, that is the number of tasks we are going to do in a day. You see this option here, do task, click on do task. When you click on do task, leave it on YouTube. You can see the YouTube task here, click on accept. Click on accept. So when you click on accept, it's going to bring you to this place here. You can see open the link, watch the video for more than 10 seconds, then like the video, take a screenshot and upload it for the platform submission. Read this instruction they gave you here. This instruction they gave you here. So you click on this open button here, it will take you to YouTube directly. It will take you to YouTube directly. Then you watch the video for like 30 seconds. Watch the video for like 30 seconds. You take screenshot of that video you have watched, the screenshot of that video you watched. As you are watching it for that 30 seconds, you take the screenshot like that. Then you come to this place here, click on this plot button here to upload it. When you click here, it is going to bring you to where you can upload it. You can see you can now upload it. Then you click on submit. Okay, you click on submit. Please remember, if your account is not showing you, if your own is not showing in English, click on the button this thing to on the net logo. That net logo, you click on net logo. When you are doing your registration, click on net logo. Take a look at your screen. Click on net logo to make sure your own is switched to English. Okay, so that is it. So you do this thing like this. This is the task number 1. You submit it. Now you are going to do this task like this for the next 14 days. Please take note, for the next 14 days you are going to do this task like this. Now when you are doing this task like this, come to this place here. You see this option here. You see this place, credit score. You need 100 credit score here. Every day when you are logging in doing task, your score will be increasing. Then this place here, balance. You need to have 200 balance here. 200, minimum of 200 balance from the task you are doing. So when you have, now this is the requirement for withdrawal now. Take note, the requirement for withdrawal now is what I am explaining now. So every day you do task. Now once you have 200 USDT here, $200 here, and then you know that your requirement number 1 has completed. Requirement number 2, you need to invite at least 10 friends. It is what compulsory for you to be able to gain access to withdrawal button. And once you gain access to this withdrawal, you are not going to, that is how you are going to be withdrawing for life until this platform crashes. So you have to do everything within your power to invite at least 10 friends, and those your friends invite have to do task. Now you see this place here, total task, you need to have $400 here, $400 here. Now those your friends that are doing task, remember, anybody you're introducing to this platform, you are going to give this person this video explanation. You copy the video, the link of this video explanation, so that the person will watch and understand. This is very important. Now we are talking about money. This is not something anybody should joke with. If you're not interested in making money, it's not something you should joke with. Please take note, we are talking about $100 here, and that $100 is the minimum. That's the least amount you can earn on this platform. Once you are able to pass these procedures I'm going to show you now, boom, your own is to be cashing out. Cash out they go, cash out they go, cash out they go. So that's it, guys. So once you have 400 here, now the next thing you need to do is to chat customer service. You have 200 here, you have earned 200 on your own, and then your friends in total have earned 400 in total. As they are earning, their point will be adding for you here. You'll be receiving some percentage of whatever they are earning. So once you have 400 here, then know that you have completed it. Within 14 days, you are good to go. 14 days, you are good to go. You need friends. Take note, you need like 10 or more friends. Once they have accumulated you with this 400 here, which you can able to achieve within the space of 15 days, you achieve that, and then you can withdraw. Now, once you have this 200 here, $200 here, and you place that withdrawal, they are going to give you $100. They are going to remove 50% from that money. Now, your first withdrawal, after that, your first withdrawal, then you can be withdrawing. You don't need friends again to be withdrawing. All the tasks you are doing it to withdraw. Do you understand? So that's it. Now, for you to be able to withdraw, you need to upgrade to VIP 1. That VIP 1 is the requirement. Now you need to have a minimum balance of 200. Then you need to have a minimum number of 10 friends, and those your 10 friends must be active friends. They are doing tasks As they are doing tasks, you are carrying them along. You people are doing it together. You people are doing it together. See, some of you might hear, "Hi, this one has to do with the friends." You will start saying, "I cannot do it." Listen, this is money matter. When it comes to money matter, I market it to everybody, family and friends. I don't look people face when it comes to making money. When it comes to making money, you don't look at people face. You have to. What you should be after is how you can make that money. And now, anybody introduced to this platform, you are not only favoring that person. You are not the only one benefiting. The person is benefiting as well, because we are earning this thing together. As the person is earning, you are earning. As you are earning, the person is earning. So you cash out, the person cash out. That's why I say, anybody introduce, make sure you give that person this video explanation so that they will listen, watch, and know what to do. So immediately you have achieved this 400 here, you need to have 400 balance here. You need to have 200 balance here. Then come to home. Come to home. You can see this place, this option here. This is customer support. This button here. This button here, click on it. It is going to take you directly to their WhatsApp. Then tell them that you have completed the minimum number of 10 friends, and then you have a minimum balance of $200. Then the person is going to ask you for your account details. Then they may ask you for this UID here, or this place here. They will ask you for this code here. You copy it and send it to them. Then I'm going to upgrade you to VIP 1. So this VIP 1 here, they're going to upgrade you to this VIP 1. You can see the price of that VIP 1. So that's why I say you need 400. You need your friends need to earn $400. Then you need to have it. You need to have 200. You can see the price of this. You can see it. So they will now upgrade you to this VIP. And once they upgrade you to this VIP now, you will be having 8 tasks to do in a day. And what that simply means that every 14 days you will be withdrawing $500. You see. So that is why I say this update is not something anybody should joke with. It is, in fact, before I even proceed more, please take a look at your screen. This is payment proof. Are you seeing payment proof? Payment proof plenty. People have been cashing out on this platform like tomorrow no day. Just look at this. Is free, oh guys. This is 100% legit free. In fact, when you see me posting something, as you all know, I don't post what I don't know. I post only what I know. So that is it. So for those of you who are interested in joining this platform now, our WhatsApp group link is in the comment section. If you are interested, you can join our WhatsApp group. The moment you join our WhatsApp group, the link of this platform will be given to you. You can use it to join this platform. Follow all these steps I have shown you guys in this video. You watch yourself cashing out. So as long as this platform exists and you're able to complete this requirement I mentioned in this video, you will be cashing out until the day the platform will crash. Remember what I said, guys. I repeat, please and please do not deposit. I am still saying it. Do not deposit. This is warning to everyone watching this video. This is disclaimer. Please, on no condition will anyone deposit any money to this platform. Just complete the requirement I have told you guys. All these people that have been placing withdrawing their money with Toto, that's the requirement they completed, and they'll be placing this withdrawal. Placing withdrawal. Remember, the first thing you need to do is to verify your identity that you're a human being, do task, and that's all. So that's all you need to do on this platform. It is 100% legit. That's it, guys. The free aspect is the one I'm saying is 100% legit, not the deposit aspect. The deposit aspect can be scam. In fact, they can run away with your money. That's why I say do not deposit. Please and please do not deposit. I repeat. Okay? So that's it, guys. If you have another question, please comment below. Comment below. I'll be there to reply you. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any of my latest updates on how to make money online. And then don't forget, there is love in sharing. As I've shared this video with you, share it with your friends and family. And like I said, if you're already in my WhatsApp group before, please and please do not join my WhatsApp group again, because if you are joining, it means you're occupying space for other new members. For those of you who are not in my WhatsApp group, you can join. We still have some space there in the WhatsApp group, okay? Because whatever I post in group 1, the same thing I post in group 2, the same thing I post in group 3. So do not be in more than one of my group, because if I find out that anybody is in more than one of my group, I normally remove the person from all the groups. Okay, please learn to adhere to instructions so that the space can reach everyone. Thank you for watching this video. I remain legit boss. God bless you.